What is the significance of mitosis? Now, the most important thing about mitosis is we already learned that mitosis is called equational cell division. So, it produces the daughter cells which are identical, which are very similar to the parental cell, which are very similar to the mother cell. And you also know that if a single celled structure like a zygote has to develop into a multicellular embryo, then the zygotic cell has to undergo repeated mitotic divisions. And this repeated mitotic divisions that we see during embryonic stages is referred to as the cleavage or segmentation. Also, it helps in maintaining a proper cell size. Imagine if a cell does not undergo mitosis, it will keep increasing in its size. And when the cell volume increases, the nucleus cannot control the cell volume. The nucleus is the controlling center of the cell, isn't it? So it cannot run the cell efficiently when the cell keeps increasing in its size. So to distribute its cytoplasm among the daughter cells, it has to divide by mitosis. So one of the major significances, it ensures that the cell maintains a proper size. And also replacement of dead and decaying cells in the body. The older cells get killed in the body regularly, like how your RBCs are dead every once in 120 days. So just like the replacement or the recycling of the older cells that keeps happening. And also the repairing process that happens if we suffer an injury or a wound, there is a repairing process happening that is brought about by mitosis. And also mitosis is a main mode of asexual reproduction in some of the lower forms, like even in case of animals like hydra, which is a coelant trait, it exhibits budding. And budding is a form of the cells have to divide by mitosis so that they increase in their the bud starts growing in its size, and ultimately the bud becomes detached from the parent body and leads an independent life. And then you have yeast also exhibits budding, isn't it? And several other modes of reproduction in yeast. Asexual reproduction involving the formation of spores is also because of mitosis. And then also, even though the sex cells are formed as a product of meiosis, which is reductional division, to maintain a reserve of sex cells, the germ cells within the testis and the ovary have to divide by mitosis. So the maintenance of a reserve of the primordial germ cells or the germ mother cells which are there in the testis and the ovary is all thanks to mitosis.